Major airline CEOs are urging Congress to restore funding for homeland security programs that support airport operations and security staff. Without this funding, airports across the United States could face staffing shortages, longer security lines, flight delays, and disruptions to both passenger travel and air cargo. Airlines warn that the consequences could extend far beyond the travel industry, affecting supply chains, pharmaceuticals, electronic shipments, and business travel. In this video, we explain why airline executives are raising alarms, what homeland security funding supports at airports, how staffing shortages could disrupt travel and cargo, the potential business and economic impacts if funding is not restored. Understanding this issue helps explain why aviation policy can quickly become a major economic concern. Major airline CEOs are sounding the alarm about a growing problem that could disrupt air travel across the United States. They're urging Congress to restore funding tied to homeland security programs that support airport operations and security personnel. Without this funding, airlines warn that the entire aviation system could face delays, staffing shortages, and operational challenges. And the impact could extend far beyond just passengers at the airport. What the issue is, airports rely heavily on federal funding tied to security, screening operations, and staffing programs overseen by the Department of Homeland Security. These programs help support critical functions such as Transportation Security Administration, screening operations, airport security staffing infrastructure that supports passenger and cargo movement. Airline executives say that if funding gaps occur, airports could face shortages of trained staff responsible for screening passengers and managing security operations. That could create longer lines, slower security checkpoints, and more flight delays. For airlines already operating on tight schedules, even small disruptions can cascade across the entire network. Why this matters for businesses. Air travel isn't just about vacations. It's also a major backbone of global business and logistics. Passenger aircraft carry a huge amount of cargo in the lower sections of the plane, often called belly cargo. This includes pharmaceuticals, electronics, medical equipment, fresh produced high-value manufacturing components. If airport operations slow down, those shipments slow down too. That can disrupt supply chains and delay time-sensitive deliveries. Businesses that rely on rapid logistics, especially in healthcare, manufacturing, and technology, could feel the effects quickly. Economic impacts. Air travel also plays a critical role in business mobility. Executives, consultants, engineers, and government officials depend on reliable flights to conduct business across cities and countries. If airports face staffing shortages and delays become more common, it could reduce travel efficiency and increase costs for companies. Airlines are warning that the issue needs attention now before operational disruptions spread across the aviation system. Conclusion: the aviation industry is one of the most interconnected parts of the global economy. What happens at airport security checkpoints can quickly ripple across supply chains, business travel, and logistics networks. That's why airline leaders are pushing Congress to restore funding before small operational challenges turn into larger disruptions for the economy.